A huge way to get connected, ask specific questions, and feel comfortable with the admission process for a particular university is to attend a college admission representative visit. To access a full up-to-date schedule and reserve your space, sign in to Naviance. Scroll down and find What's New to view a list of universities and College Monday workshops. You can find a full list and are able to register by clicking on the Colleges tab, Research Colleges, and College Visits. You'll find a full list, and you can even click on the university's name to find an extensive profile on the university, where you can watch videos, look at things like acceptance rate, and program information to get to know a new school. You'll want to ensure your email is up to date in Naviance as well, and your Colleges I'm Thinking About list. This way, if any university that you're interested in comes to us, Naviance will automatically notify you. Update your email under the About Me tab in My Account. If you have trouble logging in, stop by the College Center or email us for assistance.